Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have two Matchbox today that we're gonna open. So yeah, let's see which one we're gonna open today. So I'm gonna get straight to the point. So first one we opened is this 1942 Cadillac Series 62 Convertible Coupe by Matchbox. Look at that, very nice. Let's crack it open. Oh no, it's okay. Here is the Cadillac, and my thoughts on it, I love the retro feeling of this car. Very fancy car, has a very nice glass on the front. I love the interior design for nice brown, kind of like shady brown. Very nice ruby red with one of the tires covered with the body. Has some classic Matchbox chrome rings on it. It has a chrome big chrome bumper on it with some nice headlights. We do have a little scratch here, but it's okay. But so we also have a few tampos on the side of the car. Here we have the breathers for the car and these two white lines. We even got the grille and a logo there too. The back has a big chrome bumper. No back headlight tampos, sadly. But look at this. We got a chrome bottom. Yeah, and we got some chrome wheels at the back. Look at that. We also got the little tiny thing for opening the car door. But yeah, let's put it right here. Very cool car. Next one we got is the Polaris Slingshot, which I've been waiting to open one of these. So yeah, let's crack her open. Alrighty. I thought it comes with something. But here is the Polaris Slingshot. I think this is my second Polaris Slingshot. So I love the greenish kind of yellow color, kind of like a highlighter color. Very nice, like kind of pattern on the front of the car. I love the little design of this car. It's like a slingshot, it's like you pull it back and boom. Has one big wheel at the back. Very nice interior design where you can just, there's no doors. You just sit there and you just go fast. I really like this part of the car where it kind of goes up. It's kind of like the front is kind of like a Stingray. So it's a very interesting car design with only one wheel at the back and two at the front. Polaris logo on there. It's a slingshot, this weird little carbon fiber kind of look on it. There are no front headlight tampos or back headlight tampos, but we do got some headlights here. No chrome on the wheels, sadly. But yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Just wanted to show you two Matchbox today. So yeah, I hope you go check out my gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101, and check out my TikTok page, ZA Vlogs. So I also stopped doing shorts. So yeah, guys. This is the end of the video. Woohoo! No.